Most traders lose money because they're chasing exotic pairs with massive spreads and zero liquidity. But in 2026, the real institutional moves are happening right here in the majors. Today, we're breaking down the 7 major currency pairs, including the fiber, Euro-USD, which is currently seeing a massive 5.3% year-over-year shift, and the cable, GBP-USD. I'm going to show you exactly which pairs to trade based on your session and how to avoid the liquidity traps that are wiping out retail accounts this month. Before we dive into the charts, hit that subscribe button and toggle the bell to all. The foreign exchange market, commonly known as Forex, is the largest and most liquid financial market in the world. With over $7 trillion traded daily, it dwarfs all other financial markets combined. At the heart of this vast ecosystem lies a set of currencies that dominate global trade and investment, the major currency pairs. Understanding these pairs is not just a foundational step for any aspiring trader, it is the gateway to navigating the Forex market with clarity, strategy, and confidence. What are Forex major currency pairs? In Forex trading, currencies are always quoted in pairs. When you trade Forex, you are simultaneously buying one currency and selling another. A currency pair consists of a base currency, the first currency in the pair, and a quote currency, the second currency. The price reflects how much of the quote currency is needed to purchase one unit of the base currency. Major currency pairs are those that involve the US dollar, USD, paired with the most widely traded and economically significant currencies in the world. These pairs are characterized by high liquidity, tight spreads, and significant trading volume, making them the most popular choices for traders at all levels. The 7 widely recognized major currency pairs are Euro-USD, Euro-US dollar; USD-JPY, US dollar Japanese yen; GBP-USD, British pound US dollar; USD-CHF, US dollar Swiss franc; AUD-USD, Australian dollar US dollar; USD-CAD, US dollar Canadian dollar; NZD-USD, New Zealand dollar US dollar. Each of these pairs tells a story, not just about exchange rates, but about global economics, geopolitics, and market sentiment. Major pairs are the backbone of Forex trading for several key reasons. First, they offer unmatched liquidity. Because they are traded in such high volumes, it is easy to enter and exit positions quickly without significant price slippage. This is particularly important for day traders and scalpers who rely on precise timing. Second, major pairs have tight spreads, meaning the difference between the bid and ask price is minimal. Lower spreads translate to lower transaction costs, which can significantly impact long-term profitability. Third, these pairs are highly responsive to economic data and news events. Traders who follow global economic indicators, such as interest rates, inflation, GDP growth, and employment data, can find abundant opportunities in major pairs. Finally, major pairs are well documented and widely analyzed. There is a wealth of information, analysis, and educational resources available, making them more accessible for beginners. A closer look at each major pair. Euro-USD, the king of Forex. The Euro-USD pair is the most traded currency pair in the world, accounting for a significant portion of daily Forex volume. It represents the exchange rate between the Eurozone and the United States, 2 of the largest economic regions globally. This pair is known for its relatively smooth trends and high liquidity. It is heavily influenced by monetary policies from the European Central Bank, ECB, and the Federal Reserve, Fed. Economic indicators such as interest rate decisions, inflation data, and political developments in the Eurozone can cause significant price movements. Euro-USD is often considered the best pair for beginners due to its predictability and lower volatility compared to some other pairs. USD-JPY, the safe haven dance. The USD-JPY pair reflects the relationship between the US dollar and the Japanese yen. The yen is widely regarded as a safe haven currency, meaning investors tend to flock to it during times of economic uncertainty. This pair is heavily influenced by interest rate differentials between the US and Japan, as well as global risk sentiment. When markets are optimistic, USD/JPY tends to rise as investors move away from the yen. Conversely, during periods of fear or uncertainty, the yen strengthens, causing the pair to fall. The Bank of Japan is known for its unconventional monetary policies, including ultra-low interest rates and quantitative easing, which can create unique trading opportunities. GBP/USD, the cable. GBP/USD, often referred to as cable, is one of the oldest traded currency pairs. The nickname originates from the transatlantic cable that once transmitted exchange rates between London and New York. This pair is known for its higher volatility, offering larger price swings compared to Euro/USD. It is influenced by economic data from the United Kingdom and the United States, as well as decisions by the Bank of England. Political events, such as Brexit, have historically had a profound impact on GBP/USD. Traders often view this pair as an opportunity for higher profits, but it comes with increased risk. USD/CHF, the stability factor. The Swiss franc is another safe haven currency, making USD/CHF an interesting pair during times of global uncertainty. Switzerland's strong banking system and political neutrality contribute to the franc's reputation as a stable currency. USD/CHF often moves inversely to Euro/USD due to the close economic ties between Switzerland and the Eurozone. Traders sometimes use this relationship to hedge positions or confirm trends. The Swiss National Bank occasionally intervenes in the currency market to prevent excessive appreciation of the franc, adding another layer of complexity to this pair. AUD/USD, the commodity currency. The Australian dollar is closely tied to commodity prices, particularly metals like iron, ore, and gold. As a result, AUD/USD is often referred to as a commodity pair. This pair is influenced by global demand for commodities, particularly from China, Australia's largest trading partner. When commodity prices rise, the Australian dollar tends to strengthen. The Reserve Bank of Australia plays a key role in shaping the pair's movements through its monetary policy decisions. AUD/USD is popular among traders who follow global economic cycles and commodity markets. USD/CAD, the oil connection. The Canadian dollar is heavily influenced by oil prices, as Canada is one of the world's largest oil exporters. This makes USD/CAD another commodity-driven pair. When oil prices rise, the Canadian dollar typically strengthens, causing USD/CAD to fall. Conversely, when oil prices decline, the pair tends to rise. The Bank of Canada and economic data from both Canada and the United States also play significant roles in determining the pair's direction. NZD/USD, the Kiwi. The New Zealand dollar, often called the Kiwi, is another commodity currency. NZD/USD is influenced by agricultural exports, global risk sentiment, and economic conditions in Asia-Pacific regions. This pair tends to have moderate volatility and is often correlated with Australian dollar to US dollar. Traders who understand one often find it easier to trade the other. The Reserve Bank of New Zealand plays a critical role, particularly through interest rate decisions and monetary policy guidance. Correlations between major pairs. One of the unique aspects of Forex trading is the concept of correlation. Some currency pairs move in the same direction, positive correlation, while others move in opposite directions, negative correlation. For example, Euro/USD and GBP/USD often move in the same direction due to shared economic ties. Euro/USD and USD/CHF typically move inversely. AUD/USD and NZD/USD are often positively correlated due to similar economic structures. Understanding these relationships can help traders manage risk, avoid overexposure, and identify stronger trading opportunities. Factors that drive major currency pairs. Several key factors influence the movement of major currency pairs. Interest rates set by central banks are one of the most powerful drivers of currency values. Higher interest rates attract foreign investment, increasing demand for a currency. Economic indicators. Data such as GDP growth, employment figures, inflation, and retail sales provide insights into the health of an economy. Strong data typically strengthens a currency, while weak data can weaken it. Political events, elections, and geopolitical tensions can create uncertainty and volatility in currency markets. Market sentiment. Investor perception and risk appetite play a significant role. In times of optimism, traders may favor riskier currencies, while in times of fear, they may move to safe haven currencies like the yen or Swiss franc. Trading strategies for major pairs. Trading major currency pairs requires a blend of analysis, discipline, and risk management. Some popular strategies include trend following, identifying and trading in the direction of the prevailing market trend. Range trading, buying at support and selling at resistance in sideways markets. Breakout trading, entering trades when price breaks key levels. News trading, capitalizing on volatility caused by economic announcements. Each strategy has its strengths and weaknesses, and successful traders often adapt their approach based on market conditions. Risk management and discipline. While major pairs offer many opportunities, they are not without risk. Effective risk management is essential for long-term success. This includes using stop-loss orders to limit potential losses, avoiding over-leveraging, maintaining a consistent risk-to-reward ratio, keeping emotions in check. Forex trading is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It requires patience, continuous learning, and a long-term perspective. Beyond charts and data, trading major currency pairs is a psychological challenge. Fear, greed, and impatience can lead to poor decisions. Successful traders develop mental discipline and stick to their trading plans. Understanding major pairs helps reduce uncertainty, but it does not eliminate emotional pressure. Mastery comes from experience and self-awareness. Forex major currency pairs are the lifeblood of the global currency market. They represent the economic pulse of the world's most influential nations and provide endless opportunities for traders willing to learn and adapt. From the stability of Euro-USD to the volatility of GBP-USD, from the safe haven appeal of USD-JPY and USD-CHF to the commodity-driven movements of AUD-USD and USD-CAD, each pair offers unique characteristics and trading opportunities. For beginners, focusing on major pairs is the smartest way to start. Their liquidity, accessibility, and wealth of information make them ideal for building foundational skills. For experienced traders, they remain a reliable arena for executing sophisticated strategies. In the end, trading Forex majors is not just about understanding currency movements, it is about understanding the world. Economics, politics, human behavior, and global events all converge in these pairs, creating a dynamic and ever-evolving marketplace. Those who take the time to study and respect these forces will find that Forex trading, much like life itself, rewards patience, discipline, and a long-term perspective. The bottom line? If you're a beginner, master the Euro-USD or USD-JPY first. They offer the tightest spreads and the most predictable price action in today's volatile landscape. Don't overcomplicate your watch list. 3 pairs is all you need to reach consistency. If this breakdown helped you see the market more clearly, drop a majors in the comments below so I know you're locked in. I'll see you in the next one. Happy trading!